Ever wondered what causes the sound of thunder? Well, here's the scoop. It all starts with lightning, the hotshot of the storm world. Lightning heats the air around it to an astonishing 60,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's hot. This rapid heating causes the air to expand faster than the speed of sound, creating a shock wave. That shock wave? That's your thunder. It's like nature's own sonic boom. And the delay between seeing lightning and hearing thunder? It's all about speed, folks. Light travels faster than sound. So you see the lightning before you hear the thunder. Now you're a thunder whiz. Go out there and dazzle with your weather wisdom. Until next time, stay curious.